Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Miswak Club Natural Teeth Whitening Kit Natural Toothbrush for whiter teeth, fresher breath, while being chemical-free, 100 money-back guarantee. Part of the value in purchasing from the Miswak Club is that these two sticks are carefully packaged, each in its own vacuum-sealed pouch to preserve freshness. Now, if you were to venture to another distributor who doesn't package these quite as carefully, you're running the risk of maybe getting some decent sticks, but each with a lifespan of probably a couple of days. You're guaranteed a good product if you don't like it, or if you somehow get a bad batch they guarantee your money back. If any Miswak aside from fresh Miswak, good luck finding that in the Western world is going to get you hooked. It's these. The Prophet said, the Miswak toothstick cleanses and purifies the mouth and pleases the Lord. You soak them in water for a few hours, and then bite yourself out some bristles. The one thing is the funky smell these things have, but for me it is a small price to pay. Packaged with a nice cloth, you feel like you're an elite member of some old cool cigar club without the cigar, and with cleaner teeth. It does have an interesting smell and taste, but Miswak suggested soaking it in water with a few drops of peppermint oil, and now it smells and tastes great. It's beautifully and cleverly packaged with a little plastic holder for each stick nestled in a high-quality and beautifully designed box. It has a very harsh smell. Couldn't figure out if that kind of wood is that potent, or they secretly put stuff on it for packaging. In a well-made box comes two sticks, both with travel holders, and an extremely fine cloth to clean them with. Absolutely loved it, and would recommend this product to anyone who wants to get either whitened teeth and/or get closer to Allah. Package came with a cover for the stick for easy transport, so it's very convenient to bring anywhere. Definitely leaves teeth feeling clean, but it's hard for me to get it working from the back underneath teeth. It was wrapped tightly all the way around, like they put effort into selling a quality product. So to find a similar way to get into the crevices and gum areas of the teeth was a happy find. Breaking it in two and adding a flexible plastic L bracket seems to work pretty well. Smile. For those of you who wore braces, it's the same great feeling you get when you can finally run your tongue over newly braces-free teeth. Very cool, and it comes with a carrying case so you can take it with you. Packaging and all aside, which is top-notch, the Miswak itself is quite soft and has a strong minty smell. The taste of the Miswak reminds me of aloe in that it smells like it's healthy for me, like it's good. Once you get over it tasting like mild fresh horseradish, it does a good job of cleaning your teeth. They do have a tendency to dry out, though you have to keep them covered. Honestly, very good. Thickness is perfect, freshness is perfect, and the plastic tube it comes with is very handy. Yeah. Each one come with a case so it can be thrown into a bag for on the go. The instructions say you have to soak it in water for 4 hours every 4 days, but the sticks come wrapped in plastic, and each comes with a plastic container to put it in. Really enjoying the Miswak, and am very satisfied with the value of the Miswak so far. Comes in own separate carrying case for each stick, so easy to stash in your bag anywhere you go. It does clean the teeth and massages the gums. Mostly important, it is a natural product from nature's God. Here is a link to an interesting article about Miswak other natural teeth cleaning options, http://www. But what really sets Miswak Club apart from the rest is their character. Order one and see for yourself. If there were any whitening or good material in it, someone would extract it and put it in a toothpaste store. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.